Coach mentioned that you train in multiple different disciplines with multiple different coaches to prepare for this MMA. How does that affect the focus, having different coaches feed into you? How does that develop you as a fighter?
Basically, I have to be an all-rounder. Sometimes I have to train 2 times a day and refresh in between. I have my grappling Adam, my MMA coach, quite a strong guy. But then I need to adapt the stances, of course, striking, so I can correlate between them.
What have you found through training with these different coaches to be your particular area of weakness, and how have you overcome it?
Weakness, I don't think there is much to call weakness because it's all in the head. I'm quite ready physically and mentally, so I think the weakness, I don't see it really. No.
Have you had a chance to study your opponent?
Well, it's an amateur fight and we have changed quite recently my opponent. For me, it does not make a difference. I just want to go in the ring, I want to have fun, go in and prove myself that I'm worth it of the training I'm doing.